Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best moving boxes is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked aspects of a smooth relocation, and today we're diving deep into a game changer for your next move: medium moving boxes with handles. Imagine packing your belongings with ease, lifting them without straining your back, and unpacking them efficiently. These boxes promise just that, transforming a daunting task into a manageable one with their thoughtful design and practical features, ensuring your precious items arrive safely and your moving day is less stressful. Number 5. Banker's Box Classic Moving Box 12-Pack Kit. Moving can be overwhelming, but we're here to help. Our moving kit takes the guesswork out of packing, ensuring you have the right sizes for all your household items. Forget the tape. These boxes are designed for quick and easy assembly. Simply fold them into shape, pack, and stack them with ease. Don't worry about your belongings during the move. Our boxes feature reinforced, easy-carry handles, making them simple to lift and transport. Access your items quickly when you need them. The convenient lift-off lid stays secure during transit, keeping your belongings safe. Built to last, these boxes have a double layer of corrugate on the bottom and sides for extra durability. They are designed to stack easily, saving you space. Feel good about your purchase. These reliable moving boxes are proudly made in the USA. What we like? This kit offers a variety of sizes to tackle all your moving needs. Its tape-free assembly and reinforced handles make packing and carrying a breeze. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for a whole household move, this is the one for you. What people say. These boxes are sturdy and have handles which make them easy to carry. The handles are well placed and make moving easier. They are the perfect size for books and other small items. Number 4. Banker's Box Small Classic Moving Boxes. Introducing the Small Classic Moving Boxes from Banker's Box. These sturdy boxes are perfect for packing books, files, and other dense items, making your move organized and easy. Assembly is a breeze with no tape required. They are designed for easy packing and stacking, with convenient labeling space pre-printed on each box. Don't worry about your belongings during the move. Reinforced, easy-carry handles make transporting these boxes simple and secure. Access your items quickly when you need them. The lift-off lid stays secure during transport, keeping your contents safe. These strong boxes are designed for organization. They stack easily, break down quickly, and store flat, ready for your next use. Ideal for smaller belongings, books, kitchen supplies, and odds and ends. Their compact size makes them versatile for various packing needs. Built for durability with double-layered corrugated bottoms and handle sides. Proudly made in the USA. What we like? These small boxes are perfect for dense, smaller items like books and files. They feature tape-free assembly and reinforced handles for easy transport. If you have a lot of smaller, heavier items to pack, these are an excellent choice. What people say. These boxes are sturdy and the handles make them easy to carry. The size is perfect for moving books and other small, heavy items. They stack well and don't collapse easily. Number 3. ClearSpace Heavy Duty Moving Bags 8-Pack. Introducing our heavy-duty moving bags, designed for durability and convenience. They feature backpack straps, zippers, and handles for easy transport and secure storage. With an impressive 86-liter capacity, these bags offer ample space for all your belongings. They are a perfect alternative to bulky moving boxes, especially for college students moving into dorms. Say goodbye to cumbersome moving boxes. These bags come with convenient carry handles for easy transport and can be folded flat for space-saving storage when not in use. Crafted from strong woven polypropylene fabric, these bags are built to last. They are reinforced to securely hold your items, ensuring they remain safe during moves or while in storage. These bags are incredibly versatile, perfect for organizing and transporting a wide range of items. Keep your clothes, toys, bedding, and more neatly stored and easily accessible. Experience premium quality and practicality with these storage bags. They easily fold for compact storage, making them an ideal choice for anyone on the go. What we like? These heavy-duty bags offer a massive capacity for all your belongings. The backpack straps make them incredibly easy to carry, even when full. If you need a versatile and durable alternative to traditional boxes, especially for large items or dorm moves, these are ideal. What people say. These boxes are sturdy and have reinforced handles, making them easy to carry. The handles are well placed and comfortable to grip, even when the box is full. The medium size is perfect for a variety of items, from books to clothing. Number 2. SpaceAid Heavy-Duty Moving Bags. Moving just got easier with these extra-large capacity bags. They offer a generous 86 liters of space, perfect for all your belongings. Ideal for moving, storage, or organizing your college dorm room. These bags are built to last, safely holding up to 60 pounds. Made from durable, coated woven material with triple-stitched seams and strong zippers, they are more reliable than traditional boxes or bins. Forget the hassle of assembling boxes. These bags offer ample space and are incredibly easy to pack and unpack. Plus, with the included backpack straps, you can carry them comfortably on your back. When not in use, these bags fold down completely flat. This makes them incredibly easy to store in any drawer, closet, or luggage. They're also perfect for bringing back extra items from your travels. These bags are incredibly versatile, perfect for storing clothes, bedding, holiday decorations, and more. They're also great for outdoor adventures like hiking and camping. College students especially love them for dorm life and beyond. What we like. With an impressive capacity and the ability to be worn as a backpack, these bags are designed for ultimate convenience. They are made from durable, coated material that can hold up to 60 pounds. If you're a college student or need a robust, easy-to-carry storage solution, these are a fantastic option. What people say. These boxes are sturdy and have handles, making them easy to carry. The handles are well placed and make moving easier. The boxes are a good size for medium items and stack well. Number 1. Banker's Box Medium Classic Moving Boxes. Introducing the Banker's Box Medium Classic Moving Boxes. Designed to make your packing process quicker and more efficient. Assembly is a breeze with these boxes. No tape is required, and they come with pre-printed labeling space for easy organization. Don't worry about heavy lifting. These boxes feature reinforced, easy-carry handles, making them simple to transport. Access your belongings with ease thanks to the convenient lift-off lid. It stays secure during transit, keeping your items safe. These strong moving boxes are designed for organization. They stack easily, break down quickly, and store flat for reuse, and are recyclable. With a versatile medium size, these boxes are perfect for almost anything. They are built strong with double-layered corrugate for durability. Feel good about your purchase. These boxes are proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and supporting American manufacturing. What we like. These medium boxes strike a great balance between capacity and manageability. They assemble without tape and come with reinforced handles for comfortable carrying. If you need versatile boxes that work for most household items and prioritize ease of use, these are a solid pick. What people say. The handles are sturdy and make carrying the boxes much easier. These boxes are surprisingly strong and held up well during my move. The size is perfect for books and other small, heavy items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.